All right, Jay asked me to do a walk around in the interior. It's installed on a 2021 Ram 2500 with Power Wagon package, full barn doors. Let's take a look. Got 1-inch ISOPro throughout. Put some aluminum sheeting on there so I can install carpet panels throughout for all kinds of light storage on the back doors. Got 3/4-inch marine ply floor bolted through the bed, full 80/20 build, so I've got plenty of storage and able to get my fridge off the ground, some storage under that. Rock solid shelves that I had installed where we just keep things. Webasto petrol burning heater to a louver there, and one up here to get heat into the bed. 75-liter fridge, tons of storage under here. I've got traction boards, tool roll, all the stuff that always stays in the truck, plus some light storage for more things. Arctic turn window. I leave my thermal pack in at all times. Does an awesome job of keeping the heat out as well as in. Dual mode LEDs, so they're white and red for the bugs. Got a Red Arc power management system with both solar on that side, shore power on that side, WeBoost antenna, waterproof cover for the doggos. That's single press for turning on the heat. It's amazing. Got some USB-C for the MacBook there, some USB down there, and more storage on that back wall. If you got any questions, let me know. Oh yeah. And the deluxe Max fan with the rain cover, which is amazing because we're out in all kinds of weather and have never had any intrusion. We've got our hatch here so I can actually access the fridge from outside. Any questions, please feel free to let me know. Jay, Maggie, team, thanks for all the support.